why I do not show my bare face, but this is not like I have done with my moisturizing part and primer part, and now I'm going to add foundation. For foundation today I'm going to use Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD foundation, this one, and I'm going to mix these two shades together because I don't have my perfect base with me right now. So firstly I'm taking Y245, and with that I'm adding some Y365. As I have taken a lot of foundation, so I am using that foundation only as my concealer, and I'm not going with any other concealer for today's look. And the foundation has a really good coverage, so I don't need any extra amount of concealer. To set my under eye area, I'm going to use this M.A.C pressed powder, and I'm using my beauty blender to set my under eye area. Now it's time to do eyebrow, and I'm going to use L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit for my eyebrow. Now I will clean my eyebrow line, and I will be using this DERMACOL makeup cover in the shade 221. And with the same shade I'm going to prime my eyelid. Now I'm blending it with the same beauty blender. How you all celebrate Bhai Dooj? Let me know in the comment section. Now I'm going to set my eyelid area with the same powder, that M.A.C pressed powder. For today's eye look I'm going to use this HudaBeauty Ruby Obsession palette, and I'm going to grab this shade first. And I'm using this brushes by M.A.C. I'm going to use this shade as my transition color. And next I'm going to use this shade as my crease color. And I'm blending that shade with the previous one. Now I'm taking this color. This is very beautiful metallic shade, and I'm going to use that all over my lid. And again I'm taking this shade and going to add that on my lower lash line. To highlight the inner corner, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Big Gradient Highlighter palette, and I'm taking this shade from here. For my eyebrow bone, I'm using this highlighter. Now I'm gonna draw a winged liner, and I'm going to use this Faces Canada All-Time Pro Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Black. I will add some falsies बाद में. Now I'm going to complete my face makeup. For face bronzing, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna take that shade called Shadowplay. Someone did comment on my previous video that why I do not show my bare face. That is just because video lengthy हो जाता है, and lots of people do not watch a long video. That's why I do my base makeup off camera, then I just show the eye makeup. But this is not like मुझे मेरा bare skin पसंद नहीं है. I love my skin just because time ज़्यादा हो जाता है इसलिए. And ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मैंने कोई भी bare face वाला वीडियो नहीं बनाया या फिर मैंने अपना base makeup नहीं दिखाया है. I have shown in lots of my videos, and recently I have shared a skincare video for Diwali, and if you miss that video, press that I button and you will get the link. So उसमें मैंने bare skin में ही जो skin care होता है वो मैंने दिखाया है. Now it's time to add some blush, and I'm using this Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice blush palette. And for highlighter, I'm going to use this Sivanna bronzer palette. I forget to contour my nose, so I'm doing it right now. Nose contouring, something which I really like. And now it's time to add some highlighter. So I'm adding that on my tip of my nose and also down on my nose bridge. I'm going to use this Sugar matte lipstick in the shade Brink of Pink. The lip shade is so bright, I want to tone it down, so I'm using this Maybelline lipstick and the shade is Barely Nude, and now applying it. Now I'm going to set my makeup with this MAC Fix Plus. Now quickly I'm going to put on some falsies and I will be adding some jewelry and I'll be right back. So I'm back with my falsies and earring. Okay, so the look is complete right now. This look is really sober and easy. You guys, please let me know, do you like this look or not in the comment section below. If you want to see some different kind of eye makeup looks, then please follow me on Instagram. And if you want to see my bridal box, then follow me on Facebook. I'm going to share the links in the description box below. And here I'm sharing some of my previous works. You may like to watch this also. And soon gonna meet you on my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.